Wow, some vehicle headlights sure are bright these days, and some aftermarket headlights work pretty well too. But have you ever compared them side by side? I did, with some very interesting results, and that's coming right up. Well, I started driving down a dark country road with the stock headlights. And you can see here they work pretty well, just like you'd expect them to. You know, factory stuff. So then I took the stock headlight bulbs out and replaced them with something called Silver Stars from Sylvania. You can see what they look like right here. Now driving down the road, we can see that they seem to be a whole lot better. But what about side by side? Well, take a look at this. Here we can see the stock bulb and the Silver Stars side by side. And yes, there is a difference. I think there's a more downrange light and a little bit wider on the sides too. So yep, a step up to these Sylvania bulbs seemed to be a good idea. Well, there you have it. Based on my testing, there is a difference. So how bright is bright? Well, maybe we should ask, how much money do you have? It seems like the brighter it is, the more it costs. But hey, all this stuff is available, and I guess it really pays to step up to a brighter bulb if that's what you want. Well, thanks to Sylvania, I was able to do this test for you, so check them out. You might be glad you did.